Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our new video is crochet summer tops. Whether you are looking for a light and airy crochet crops top or a more sophisticated tank, this list of easy crochet top patterns has something for everyone. These patterns are easy to follow and will help us stay cool in the summer heat. So grab your crochet hook and some yarn and get started on one of these amazing tank tops today. Winter is not the only season for crochet this summer. Why not try your hand and making a crochet tank top or crop top? In this list we have gathered some of the best crochet top patterns for beginners and intermediate crocheters. You will find free patterns that work for nearly every summer occasions, from breezy crop tops to wear at the beach to more sophisticated tanks you can dress up for work. Don't worry, crop top and tanks are the perfect beginner project. They use less yarn than sweaters and are quicker and less complicated to make. The top patterns in this list are easy to follow and some even include video. And just in case you are new to crochet, here is our how to crochet beginners. While crochet sweaters are often a bit more complicated to make, tanks and crop tops provide a perfect variable project of beginners. In this list below you will find a variety of summer tops ready to move beyond the basics. Intermediate and advanced crocheters will find a few slightly more complex patterns. Crochet summer tops can be made with a variety of yarn weight, from fingering weight and sport yarn to worsted weight and yarn. On many crochet tops are many made from cotton yarn, which keeps them soft and breathable while giving a nice strap. Depending on the size and style you choose, most crochet crop tops and tank tops require anywhere for 3 to 6 skeins of yarns. Looking for a new crochet tank top or top patterns to make this summer? Look no further. We have gathered some of the best patterns from around the video. The easy crochet crop top patterns is work of using only half double crochets for the body. Since it is essentially just a rectangle with strips, it's super simple to alter it to fit exactly as you like. Add a subtract from your foundation chain to make it longer or shorter, or more rows to your rectangle to make your the losers. You will feel carefully and ready to row in to crochet top patterns made of granny squares.